Hi guys, my name is Tyler Cassidy and I am a mascara artist, and today I got a very exciting delivery in the mail. It is my clutch and I wanted to unbox it in front of you guys so you could get my first impressions. So, if you are not familiar with mascara, they go all out with their packaging and they didn't fail us here. This is so cute, I'm so excited. You can see it there. Now I got the Ivory, I think it's called Ivory Mosaic. Let me check really quick. This just says Clutch Wall Ivory, but I'm pretty sure this is called Mosaic. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. I'm like all about leather. I'm a big fan of Lily Jade diaper bags because the leather is just like, so like to have makeup combined with a leather bag. I'm gonna take it out here. So first impressions. Now, I want you to know, yes, I am an artist, but I'm gonna be real with you. I am critical of my things. I am very particular. If there's like a weird thread or something, it's gonna bother me. So, I might be more picky than even you would be, but know that when I look at this. So, first things first. It feels nice. It's like softer than I was imagining. You can see it's more like of a soft fabric where the mosaic print is. I was wondering if the whole thing was gonna be shiny or not. So the outside is like this blush color, but it's flat. And then on the inside here, I can tell there's gonna be shimmer. So look forward to that. There is a chain. It's kind of like that dark color. Wish it was rose gold, but I love everything rose gold. You can see there's two magnetic pieces here. Not super strong hold, but it gets the job done. Before I do that, I'm gonna go into the important part because this is what we all care about, right? This back portion, which is where the compact goes. So let's check out this zipper. You can see it's kind of bent, kind of bothers me, but that's how you know it's real leather. I just hope that this doesn't come apart. It won't. Okay, so it comes apart up until this. So really, it won't get damaged. Here we go. Not bad. It opened pretty easily. It didn't fight me a whole lot. There wasn't any like nicks that I had to like work my way over. But it's also not packed. Maybe when it's packed, it might be different too. So I'll follow through and let you guys know if when it's packed, it feels any different. But that was a nice, smooth unzip. You can also feel this is magnetic as well. I didn't know that this was gonna be magnetic. I thought this, well, okay, I take that back. There's a compact in here and our compacts are magnetic, so that makes sense. Here we go. So you have a nice big mirror. That's super helpful. It's a shimmery gold color. And so the bottom is magnetic. It is not a double decker, and it's not something, from what I can see, that you can take out and replace. So no, this is just what it is. It's one half of a double decker basically, and then a giant mirror, which I think is pretty good because honestly, when I was thinking to myself of what exactly I would want to put in this, I would want my main colors, like my main color is amber, and then to brighten I use white peach, sometimes even linen, so if I could throw that in there. My contour color, which I vary from that, so I could pick a few, and then a lip color, and you could even fit eyeshadows in with that. So there's lots of stuff that you could do. And I think you have room for everything that you would need with that, so that's positive. I do think that some people have suggested making them bigger, so I know Kara's heard that before, and maybe one day they will come out with it, but my opinion is this is enough, and any more than this is like, maybe for like a girl's weekend or like you're going on vacation and you want to pack all your makeup into your clutch, but for a night out, this is perfect. I don't see anything as far as like threads or like anything negative, honestly, in this area. This all meets my expectations and then some. Very pretty. And closed nice as well. Okay. I don't see anything that I don't like on the outside of this, you can tell it's made really well, and I love that. Okay, here we go. So you've got your 2 magnetic pieces, and then you can see the inside. So this is all that shimmery golden color. Oh, so pretty. There is the handle. So it's kind of like a bronze metal-y color, which I guess goes with everything. So I could see, you know, that's one benefit of it. I personally tend to lean more like shiny metals. Let me see if it will unclasp. And it will. There's little latches here, so you can unclasp the chain and take it off if you don't want it. But it is nice to have just in case. There is a lot of room here. I see a lot of girls put their makeup brushes in here. I'll probably do that as well. But if not, you could put your cell phone in there, lipstick, something for your eyebrows. I have an eyebrow gel that I use sometimes. I can put that in there, an eyebrow pencil. There's a lot of room in this. You can see it's as big as my hand, so pretty good size. And then as far as this, where your money goes, we've got 6 slots for cards, which I'm gonna have to narrow down mine for that, but sometimes I double them, and these look like they might let you double them. So I'm gonna come back on. I'm going to post a picture and tell you guys about everything once I have it packed. But if you have any questions, I actually had like all kinds of questions. Like I wasn't sure when you open this up and you look here, like does it come with this, or do you have to like put in your own double-decker? But clearly this is not a double-decker. This comes with it. You cannot replace it. So there's one answer for you. If you have any questions that I didn't cover going over this, please let me know. But I am really happy. For me right now, I feel like there's a lot of times where I'm like, oh, I wish I had my makeup right now, because especially as an artist, I feel like you critique yourself so much and you're like, oh, if I just had a little bit more brightener right here or a little bit more blush right here, I would just feel. So if I had those things, it would make the world of a difference, and now with this, I can. So I will let you guys know everything that I come up with after, goods, bads, uglies, beautifuls, whatever. If you have any questions, let me know. And once again, I am Tyler Cassidy, and you can follow me on Instagram or Facebook at One Made Up Mama. Thanks for watching.